Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to show how much the puppies have grown and the things that they're doing now since last week. And this is actually a baby swimming pool in our living room, so you can see. And this is how we socialize them. They got their first bath this morning, and now we put them in here so that they can start to learn the sights and the sounds of the house, and it's just really, really good for their socialization. So, they're not real thrilled after their bath, and this is all new to them. But look how big they are now. They've got their eyes open all the way. Get their eyes open, huh, buddy? So, let me see. There's a little stinker over there coming this way. That's a little brown and white boy. This is the little orange and white girl. Come here, darling. Let me see. See how pretty she's gotten? Oh, look at you. But they're giving kisses now, and they'll snuggle, and they're just kind of experiencing their world. This little grown boy. And then as soon as they can hop out, they will, but that'll be a little while. And that's their mother wanting in. Tinker. Oh, do give me kisses. Give me kisses. You want to get kisses too? Oh, sweet puppies. Sweet babies. Sweet babies. Sweet babies. But we handle them, and we do things like rub their fur the wrong way and touch their ears and their tails. And then we turn them over and we rub their feet, rub their paws. And then that way they don't freak out when you want to clip their nails. But it's just lots of little things we do that make a big difference in your experience and how easy it is for the transition when they go to their new homes. So these are the puppies for this week, and we'll see you again in about a week.